Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Today, I want to talk about our families. I like to learn about the jobs of our family members.
That is a good idea. I like to talk about my family too. What does your family do?
In my family, my father is a doctor and my mother is a teacher. They both work in our city.
That is interesting. A doctor and a teacher are very important jobs.
Yes, my father helps many people by treating them, and my mother helps children learn. What about your family?
My family is a little different. My father is a businessman. He runs a small store in our town. My mother is a nurse and she works in a local hospital.
A businessman and a nurse. That is very nice. Your mother must help many sick people at the hospital.
Yes, she is very kind. She takes care of patients every day. And my father works hard at his store so that our family can have a good life.
I admire both of them. In my family, I also have an older sister who is a lawyer. She works in a law firm and helps people solve problems.
Wow, a lawyer. That is a very challenging job. I think it is very important to have someone who can help with legal problems.
Yes, she works very hard. And I have a younger brother. He is still a student, but he loves science and wants to be an engineer someday.
That is great. I am sure he will study hard and reach his dream.
I hope so. We learn a lot from our family members. What about your siblings?
I have a younger sister who is a student. She goes to high school and likes to study art and science. She dreams of being a doctor like my mother.
That is a good dream. It is nice when family members inspire us to work hard.
Yes, family is very important. I also want to talk about my grandparents. My grandparents are retired now, but they had interesting jobs.
Oh, tell me about them. What did your grandparents do?
My grandfather was a carpenter. He built many houses when he was young. My grandmother used to work in a small shop. They are both retired and enjoy gardening and reading.
That is wonderful. In my family, my grandparents are also retired. My grandfather was a farmer. He worked on a big farm, and my grandmother helped him. Now they like to relax and watch TV.
Farming is hard work. I respect farmers very much.
I do too. They work with nature and grow food for everyone.
It is amazing how many different jobs there are in one family. Every job is important.
Yes, I think that every job, no matter what it is, helps our community.
I agree. For example, teachers, doctors, nurses, lawyers, and even shopkeepers all work together to make our lives better.
Exactly. I also learned about some other jobs. I know there are firefighters, police officers, and even chefs.
That is true. Firefighters save lives, police officers keep us safe, and chefs make delicious food in restaurants.
All these jobs are important. In my school, we even study different careers to learn about them.
That is interesting. I sometimes ask my parents about their work. I ask my father, "How do you run the store?" And my mother, what do you do in the hospital?
I do the same. I ask my father, how do you help sick people? And my mother, how do you teach children? It is fun to learn.
Yes, and I think it helps us understand why work is important.
Absolutely. I feel proud of my family. I am proud of my father, my mother, and my sister.
I feel proud of my family too. I am happy with my father and my mother, and even with my sister who studies hard.
Family members are our role models. They show us how to work and help others.
I agree. And sometimes we talk about our future jobs too. What do you want to do when you grow up, Alice?
I am not sure yet. I like science and art. I sometimes think about studying medicine like my father, or maybe teaching like my mother.
Both are good choices. I like the idea of studying business like my father, because I want to run my own store one day.
That sounds exciting. I think you will be very good at business because you are very friendly and smart.
Thank you, Alice. I learn a lot from my family. And what about your sister, the lawyer? What does she say about her job?
She tells me that her job is sometimes hard because she deals with many problems. But she also says that helping people makes her very happy.
That is nice. I sometimes think that it is important to do a job that you love.
Yes, loving your job makes every day better. My father says that being a doctor is not easy, but he loves saving lives.
And my mother loves being a nurse because she takes care of people and makes them feel better.
It is very important to love what you do. I also like to ask my family about their work problems. My mother tells me stories about her students and how she helps them.
My father sometimes tells me about the new products in the store and how he manages money.
I think we learn good values from our families.
Yes, and they teach us to be honest, kind, and hardworking.
I often say, I want to work like my father, or I want to teach like my mother.
And I say, I want to be a good businessman like my father. And I want to help people like my mother.
It is nice to have goals inspired by our families.
I agree. I also think about other professions we hear about in school. For example, I learned that an engineer designs buildings and machines.
My brother wants to be an engineer. He is very good at math and science.
That is great. Engineers build our future.
Yes, and there are many jobs in the creative field too. I have a friend whose father is an artist and paints beautiful pictures.
Artists are very creative. I love art and sometimes I draw in my free time.
Art is a good way to express feelings. It is very different from science or business, but it is important too.
Exactly. And I learned about computer programmers who write software. They work with computers and make new programs.
Computer programmers are very modern. Many people work with computers these days.
Yes. And that shows how many different jobs there are.
I think every job helps our community in its own way.
I agree, Alice. From doctors to teachers, shopkeepers to engineers, all work is important.
Sometimes I write in my notebook about the jobs in my family. I write down, my father is a doctor, my mother is a teacher, My sister is a lawyer.
That is a good idea. I write a list too. I write, my father is a businessman. My mother is a nurse. My sister is a student.
Writing about our families helps us remember and learn new words.
Do you ask your family members about their work every day?
Not every day, but sometimes we have long talks at dinner about our work and problems at school.
My family talks about work in the evenings too. It is a way to share and support each other.
I love those talks. They make me feel close to my family.
Me too. I feel very happy when I hear my parents talking about how they help others.
I sometimes ask my father, "What is the best part of your job?" And he tells me, "Saving lives or helping patients."
My mother sometimes tells me, the best part of my job is when I see a patient smile because they feel better.
That is very kind. I think it is important to feel good about your work.
Yes, it makes a difference. I think our family talks help us understand the value of work.
I agree. It is not only about earning money, but also about caring for people and making the world better.
And each family member has a different role. My father, the businessman, makes sure we have everything we need, while my mother, the nurse, cares for people.
In my family, my father, the doctor, saves lives, and my mother, the teacher, educates young minds. My sister, the lawyer, helps people with problems in the law.
That is very impressive. I think it is wonderful to have so many different jobs in one family.
Yes, it makes our family strong and diverse.
I often say that my family is like a team. Each person has a special job, and together they make a happy home.
I feel the same way. Family is a team where everyone supports one another.
Do you ever wish to work in a job that is different from your family?
Sometimes I think about it. I like the idea of studying art or music, but I also respect my father's and mother's jobs very much.
I understand. I sometimes think of working in sports or in technology, but I am also proud of my family's work.
It is good to have dreams and to learn from our families.
Yes, our families give us examples to follow, and they show us that every job has its own value.
I am very thankful for my family. I learn a lot from them every day.
I feel the same. I am happy to share about my family's work with you.
Thank you for talking with me today, Ben. I like to learn about the different careers in our families.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our conversation too. Talking about our family's work makes me appreciate them more.
I hope we can talk again soon about our future plans and dreams.
Yes, I would love that. Maybe next time we can discuss what job we want to do when we grow up.
That is a great idea. I will think about my future career and how I can help people.
And I will think about my future job. And how I can work hard like my father and care like my mother.
Family is our inspiration. They teach us to be kind, smart, and hardworking.
Exactly, Alice. I am very proud of my family and all the work they do.
Me too. I will always remember that every job is important, whether it is in a big hospital or a small shop.
And we can learn from all of them. Every day, we see a little bit of their work in our lives.
Thank you for sharing your family's stories with me, Ben. I feel happy and inspired.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our talk very much. I look forward to our next conversation about our dreams and plans.
Have a great day, Ben, and give my love to your family.
I will, Alice. Have a wonderful day and say hello to your family for me.
Goodbye, Ben.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.